Namaste to one and all. Welcome to my channel. This video is on demand and at the same time asked to tell in a simple way what is ARYABHATA Ganit challenge. And by the time we have received the circular dated 13th August 2024, circular number 68/2024. And according to this circular, what is mentioned, mentioned, I will read. At the same time, just I am decoding the content and competencies aiming at this competitive examination. And let me try to explain what is the meaning of ARYABHATA Ganit challenge. What is the purpose of this? It is an application of mathematics in daily life. It is development of certain competencies. For application of mathematics in daily life, we have to develop certain competencies. To promote such competencies among students through joyful assessment, the ARYABHATA Ganit challenge is conducted by CBSE to know which extent students are able to apply mathematics in their daily life. Let me read the circular issued by Pranya M. Singh ma'am, who is the Director of Academics, CBSE. Yes, it tells that CBSE students, CBSE conducts the ARYABHATA Ganit challenge to foster the development of essential competencies in applying mathematics to everyday situations. This initiative aimed to promote these skills among students through an engaging assessment process. The primary focus of the challenge is to evaluate students' ability to utilize mathematical concepts in practical real-life scenarios. This approach not only reinforces the practical relevance of mathematics, but also encourages a more holistic understanding of the subject beyond theoretical concept. Then comes the levels or stages of challenges. So I have written it here this way: levels and stages. First level, school level competition. The children from 8th standard to 10th standard. Question paper from CBSE. All affiliated schools can participate. And level 2, national level competition to be conducted by CBSE as computer-based assessment. It is a computer-based assessment. And eligibility, all students are from 8th standard to 10th standard. And top 3 students may be taken as, can be registered for the top 3 students from each affiliated school registered for the next stage. Then areas of assessment. Yes, here given the areas of assessment. What about number system? And what about number sense? What about the conceptual understanding? Its competency is conceptual understanding. Then comes algebra. It is logical reasoning, analytical thinking. Then mensuration, that is problem solving skills. Then geometry and spatial sense, strategic approach. Data analysis and probability, that is visualization, mathematization. Then quantitative aptitude and creative and abstract thinking. Among this, few of them have taken and decoded it. Let us see what is it. Then number sense. Number sense and its competency is conceptual understanding. What about the number sense? Ability to relate numbers in real life situation. It is not taught, it is caught. Yes, from the real life you will get what is the children will be having a number sense. They will understand. Yes, from their experience in daily life they will understand what is the number, what this math says. That is, they are understanding, they are making relationship, they are understanding the magnitude of the number and operations involving numbers, quantities and symbols. Yes. So through the symbols they are understanding number, they are understanding what is 8 is bigger than 5. Like that they are understanding their relationship using variety of manipulatives, that is blocks, cubes, etc. They are understanding. Then counting, hands-on number activities, Also 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, like that they are understanding from hands-on learning activities going on. Then comes what is number system. So we first said number sense and number system. Number system defined as a system of writing to express numbers using digits or other symbols in a constant manner. Number system consists of set of numerals formed by 10 symbols, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is number system. Set of numerals formed by 10 symbols. To perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This can be used. And 4 common type of number system. Decimal, where number with the base 10, binary with the base 2, octal, that is with the base 8, and hexadecimal with the 16, base with 16. So competencies also here written, that is logical reasoning, analytical thinking written. That is the second one, it is written there, but here left side it is written algebra. Anyway, I am explaining you what about the, I will explain you what is analytical thinking also. Is competencies. What about the competencies? Logical reasoning and analytical thinking. Then comes the mensuration. In the mensuration, geometric figure calculations and its parameters such as, so geometric figure calculation and its parameters such as area, area of a rectangle L into B, isn't it? Then parameters, perimeter, that is 2 into L plus B, like that. So area, length, volume, etc. will come under the mensuration, and also lateral surface area. Then the polygon also will come under here. There is 3 side, 4 side, 5 side, 6 side, then 7 side, 8 side, 9 side, and 10 sides. That is what about the polygons? There is closed figures made up of line segments, not curve in a not curves. Closed figures made up of line segments on a 2-dimensional plane. This is rough work what I have done. It is not so easy to draw. Then comes is geometry and spatial sense. Geometry and spatial sense, that is strategic approach. Is this one is a strategic approach, that is put dot and you are reaching the how to draw this type of polygons. And geometry and spatial sense, it is an understanding of shape, size, position, direction, movements, able to describe and classify the physical world we live in. Then the strategic approach, later the spatial sense will be referred to as geometry. So spatial sense first we will say, later this can be identified as a geometry. Then data analysis and probability. Pros or data management means collecting, storing, organizing, and analyzing. It includes the tools and techniques used to deep dive into data as well as used to communicate the result. Then data visualization is. So the data analysis and probability, data visualization, and mathematization are the competencies. Data visualization, mathematization, whatever I wrote on the right side, that is the competencies. To reason in a mathematical manner. And is there geometry, that is data analysis and probability we have seen. I didn't write about the probability also here. Algebra also I didn't write here. That almost all of you know. Probability means is we can see that as we are using the probability of using a coin, isn't it? A tail is 1 by 2, or a face is 1 by 2, or probability of tossing a coin or a die is 1 by 6, like that. What is the probability? That is the probability. How much? 6 sides are there for a die. When it is tossing and you are putting it on the floor, what is the side it will come? It is 2 it comes. It means that among 6 faces of a die, 2 is one of the possibility. While you are tossing a coin, the possibility of tail or possibility of face is 1 by 2. Two sides only, so only one side is a possibility. That is the possibility probability. That is data analysis and probability and visualization, mathematization we are talking about. Using mathematical thinking and talk during a play is while the mathematical thinking, how you are having a mathematization while you are playing, while the child is playing or doing the activities, routine activities, the mathematical thinking and talk, they will think about mathematics and they will talk about mathematics. It is a way of interpreting and expressing using mathematics and can be used almost any situation. They used to say is this much goals I won, or like that, it is coming, or this time I reached. So anyway, the number, quantity, counting, everything will come in our daily life. Of course, it is a real life situation. It happens. Then the quantitative aptitude. Quantitative aptitude is really an examination. That is, it is an integral section of competitive exam. It tests candidates' mathematical skills and analytical abilities. It is all about mathematics and calculations. Is creative and abstract thinking. So abstract thinking is the ability to comprehend ideas that are intangible or concrete based on general ideas rather than on real things and events. That is, abstract thinking is the ability to comprehend ideas that are intangible or concrete, then based on general ideas rather than on real things and events. So chance to boost your memory, cognitive skills, problem solving, reasoning and other process oriented mental activities. Example, looking for patterns and relationship, performing science experiments and thinking about the result of experiments. Then creative thinking enabled to imagine, innovative and respond to unexpected or changing situations. Yes. Coming to the end of this circular, we can see that process of conduct of examination. Before that, the question paper, test and duration. Yes, test of duration is 1 hour. Type of questions, MCQs. Total marks 40. No negative marking. Then comes the process of conduct of test and selection. Process of conduct, test and selection. There is an affiliated school can apply. Link on or before 24th August 2024 till 5:30 p.m. No fees. That is, the link is given on the site. Link is given on the site. And second thing is that 27th August to 4th September, you will get the question paper. Question paper will be available with the key 27th to 4th September. So 24th August, the link on or before 24th August, you have to apply. The school will apply. Then in between 27th to 4th September, you will get the question paper with the answer key. Then select the top 3 students. If more than 3 students are having the same mark, you have to do some screening activities. Then schools shall register the names of those 3 students by paying online 900 rupees during the period 16th September to 22nd September. 16th September to 22nd September. And the second stage is that it is based on the computer-based test by the board for the top 3 students registered from each school on 4th October. So the computer-based second stage of examination will be on 4th October 2024. Detailed modalities will be communicated on successful completion of top 100 students from each school. CBSE region will give the merit certificate. Suppose your school has completed 100 students, that is on successful completion of top 100 schools from each CBSE region. Top 100 schools from each CBSE region will be given the merit certificate. And fees for the second time, second stage, debit card, credit card or NEFT at the time of registration. 10 schools from each region gets a maximum number of students participation in the first stage will be given the appreciation certificate by board. So, that is, from each region, 10 schools with a maximum participation of first stage will be given the appreciation certificate, and this is a thing that encourage the students to nurture the mathematical skills and acknowledge it, and this will be acknowledged in their portfolio. So this is the circular issued by Dr. Pragya M. Singh ma'am, the Director of Academics, CBSE. Yes. Thank you all.